Welcome back, JD and Jamzter Sqauders. You already know the vibes. I already said it already. But like I said, I told you guys, new video, first video of the year, and you already see the TSX in the background. Oh, sorry, let's say Honda Accord. I'm gonna start saying Honda Accord. You feel? But anyways, before I start this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, comment, share. JD and Jamzter Sqauders, we getting bigger, not stopping. The grind's gonna keep going. And yeah, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. So this video is today's this video is long overdue. I was supposed to been do this, and I don't know what took me so long, but some people may call me rice, but when it's done, it's not gonna look any rice. So today Demon will be getting some lights, LED lights, meaning underglow. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. I'm a big Fast and Furious fan. No, I don't consider this rice, in my opinion, especially if you do it correctly, nice and clean. But hey man, go big or go home, right? So currently I did the rears already. Came out pretty clean. I'm gonna go step by step on one section of it and basically give you the concept on how I did it realistically. But overall, it wasn't that hard at all. Like I said, I try to make it clean. It's gonna look cleaner once everything comes together with the whole body kit, the full Mugen kit comes on. At least it won't be noticeable, but I'm gonna make it as clean as possible. At least I can get it done now instead of trying to do it later. And it's from content, obviously, you know. First video of the year, right? Let's do this. So, let me say this now. No, I am not sponsored by them, but we're gonna be doing LEDGLOW. I don't do no cheap thing around here. I've heard of people actually having their things ripped off and etc. No, I'm not gonna have that. Sorry, please. So, you already know the vibes. Let me show you all that going on. Tube, LEDGLOW. Personally, I'd recommend them so far because I've done the rears already and it came out pretty good. I have the old gen. I had the full pair. I had all four originally, but you know, I'm just stupid. Just know that. Just know that. But LEDGLOW, you know the vibes. Big pamphlet. I probably won't even be using this, but whoever wants to use it, here you go. Whoever uses it first, that's all on you. 10% chance code. Hold on, let me flip it on. Whoever wants it, there you go. 10% off. That's all in you. You get to have it. I'm pretty sure this date is wrong. If it's wrong and you guys don't work, I apologize. But hey, you can have it. I won't be buying anything else from them, but hey, basically get the concept. They do have video tutorials, but I'm gonna do mine. All right. So when you get the lights, you're gonna get an etc. of holders, obviously the lights. You're gonna need a screw gun. Not necessary, but I personally use one faster. 2 jacks, if not 4, to be safe. It's way better, it's easier. I don't have 4, so I'm gonna use this jack, so I can just jack up the front. A mat, something you can lay on, obviously because you're gonna be on the ground. But yeah, and basically, I'll just show you how I did the back. All right, so as you can see here, the rears is already done. Right, it's not noticeable during the day, but at night it definitely is noticeable. But obviously when I put my rear lid back on, you won't be able to see it with the light. But so how I did it, I try to make it clean as possible to have it hidden, but obviously there's no clearance in the back. But you know, I screwed it. There's these clips that's obviously that I showed you guys originally, and you get 2 screws, and that's really it. You just make sure you put it in a nice, clean, simple place. Obviously have it lined up correctly, and yeah, and that's really it. But I'll go through the whole process with you guys. Also before I forget, so also with that, you get this module right here, and obviously, you know, I had to rewire it through the firewall through the back right here, which was kind of a headache, but I went inside doing that. Right here, I have to clean everything up. Realistically, yeah, I know the car's dirty, but I have to clean everything up For right now, it's gonna stay like this as long as flush on the outside. I'm not really worried about the inside right now. I kind of figured I'm gonna figure out a way to really clean it up. But other than that, also, I actually ran the wire through the trunk. Yes, I know the back is dirty too. Relax, don't come for me. You can't see it, but it's running through the trunk, right? Take this out. Right. All this crap. Crappity crap. Don't mind the battery, but you can see the wires right there, and boom, right through the trunk and leads to the outside. So yeah. All right guys, so it's finally complete. The lights are on. I'm gonna wait until later to show you obviously at night, but I won't install all three. I'm not gonna install the fourth one, but just for the front, so I'm waiting till my bumper's on. But like I said, you get these brackets, right? Screw under, and then you get these screws with a sharp point, and they basically screw into the subframe, right? Not the subframe, the frame of the car. So you see how it's lining up, clean. I hit it right behind my side skirt, and it's obviously above, so you can't see when the car's dropped on the ground. Not like the back, because the back is high up. And then I run it through the side skirt, right inside, through the door. Like I said, remember, I'm not gonna really do much with the inside. I'll figure it out later on. How should I run it inside a little bit more cleaner? But yes, I know the inside's dirty, but you see all the wires, run it through inside. Same with the left side too. Inside, boom, 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 run it out of there. I have everything all at the door of the driver door, right there. And basically, obviously, with the whole setup with the LED glow, you get their premium fob and the light. So I'll wait later on when it's nighttime to show you guys how what's the modes and etc. All right guys, so I completed it. It's dark right now. As you guys can see, yes sir, and there's a boy in the back, Ricky Martin right there, that we finally did it. LED underglow. I didn't do the fronts, but came out pretty good. Say what's up to Mr. Ricky Martin that's vaping over there. Yes, but yeah, man, it came out pretty good. So I mean, you guys just go ahead and just like really follow. Like it's pretty simple. It really wasn't that hard, realistically. You just go ahead and just basically find the right place to do it and take your time. It's not a rush. It didn't really take that long to really install, and I didn't do the front yet. Like I said earlier, take my time. You guys like that Medulo front chrome grille? I mean, it's all right, but makes it look good though. But so JDM Jamzter Sqauders, if you like this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, whatever case may be, comment. You already know the vibes. JDM Jamzter Sqauders, we out, and more to come.
Right up front to where the venue was. Every time I look at her, she feel like I'm the only one. Only thing I care about is living life the best I could. Only wanna smoke and stay productive till the day is done. Pull up to my day ones, kicking shit like day one.